Namaste students. In the previous class, I have taught you points, line, collinear points, plane and coplanar points. In this topic, we will be continuing this same topic only and we will start some new definition. We will study some new definition. So, here I am going to explain you the next definition, that is ray. Okay children, so what is a ray? See, in the last class I have explained you what is a line. Line is a straight path which can be extended infinitely in both the directions. Yes, see, here it is a line. Okay, so now what is a ray? Okay, ray is a part of a line which has only one endpoint. If I break this line from this point, you will get two rays. Okay, this two rays, one is moving in this direction and other is moving in this direction. So what is a ray? Ray is a part of a line which has only one endpoint. On other side, it can be extended infinitely. So here a ray is a part of line which can be extended infinitely in one direction. It has only one endpoint. It has only one endpoint. Say for here it is a line, so it can be it is a ray. It is a ray. It can be represented by AB, or this another ray can be represented by CD. Now the symbol of ray is like this, like an arrow. Okay, so how you will name these two rays? AB ray and CD ray. So ray is a part of a line which has only one endpoint and it can be extended infinitely in one direction only. Now the next definition is line segment. Line segment. You know the meaning of segment. Segment means it is a piece. Okay, piece of a line. So part of a line, you can say. Again, I am drawing a line and explaining you what is a line segment. Okay, if I take 2 points on this line AB, so and I will just take this part away from this line, so this can be measured now as an AB segment of this line. I have already explained you children that line is a straight path which can be extended infinitely in both the direction, and line we cannot measure, but when we take a part of a line which is represented by a line segment, now it is a measurable part. Okay, so line segment can be measured and it has two endpoints. Now line could be extended infinitely in both the direction, but this line segment cannot be extended now in both the direction. It has two endpoints. Okay, so please write down the definition of line segment. Line segment is a part of a line which has two endpoints. It can be measured. It has a fixed length. Now, what is the symbol of line segment? Suppose I want to write, this is a line segment AB. I will be writing line segment AB. This figure represents line segment AB. So here also in the symbol of AB line segment, we will be simply putting a line without an arrow. Okay, so this is the symbol of line segment. Now moving forward to the next definition. We are having many definition in geometry. Once you study all this definition, you will be perfect in applying any concept in the questions. So the next definition is pair of lines. Pair of lines. Children, it is very important concept in geometry. How can you say the lines in a same plane are what type of lines? Okay, basically in a plane we have two types of line. First is parallel lines. You might have studied in your previous class what are parallel lines. See children, in a plane, if we have pair of lines, these are basically of two types. They are parallel lines and intersecting lines. So what are parallel lines? If we draw the figures of parallel line, you can see something, this type of figure. So what are parallel lines? Parallel lines are the set of lines which cannot intersect each other after extending in any direction. So parallel lines are the set of lines which you extend in any direction, okay, and they will not intersect each other. So here you can see these two lines, AB and CD, which you extend in any direction. You will find that these lines cannot be intersected each other. So these type of lines are called parallel lines. See here they have a good, they have a characteristic that the perpendicular distance between these lines are always equal. Okay, if we take the perpendicular distance between the parallel lines, it is always equal. You might have seen the railway track. Okay, so railway track also it goes like this. Okay, two of its routes are moving parallel, and you might have seen the stripes which are wooden stripes in between. Okay, so they are also put in a perpendicular manner, so that we can maintain the distance between these two tracks. Okay, now the next here what is the symbol of parallel line, children? We will write AB parallel to CD. This is a symbol of parallel lines. You can put two vertical lines, okay, and you can show AB parallel to CD. You can also use the symbol of lines with this. So with this symbols, you can very properly say that line AB is parallel to line CD. Now the second set of lines are intersecting lines. Intersecting lines. Okay, see children, we are studying about the pair of lines. What we are studying about? Pairs of lines. So pairs basically are of two types. They are only of two types, we can say, parallel lines and intersecting lines. If two lines are there in a plane, so they will be definitely either type. Okay, either they are parallel or they are intersecting. There is no third type of lines in a plane. So what are intersecting lines? This is totally opposite of parallel lines. Set of two lines, pair of two lines which tend to extend each other. Okay, sorry, which tend to intersect each other after extending in any direction. Here I have drawn another two lines, XY and PQ. You can see by the figure only, you can see that XY and PQ are going to intersect at certain point after extending in any direction. Okay, so intersecting lines are those which will intersect each other, which can be intersect each other after extending in either direction. Okay, now here you can see the perpendicular distance between these two lines is getting reduced. Okay, and at one point you will find that it becomes 0. The point where it becomes 0 is called the intersecting point of these two lines. Okay, so here these two lines are called intersecting lines. I hope it is understood, children. So what are intersecting lines? Two lines in a plane are called intersecting, which will intersect, which can be intersected each other after extending in one direction. Thank you so much, children. Please revise this definitions.